Hello, we will move on to yet another problem from the exercise 9.1 applications of trigonometry. Okay, the question is, from a point on the ground, angle of elevation of bottom and top of transmission tower fixed at top of 20-meter building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So, from the point on the ground, let us draw a image. From the point on the ground, angle of elevation of bottom and top of transmission tower, that is angle of elevation of bottom and top of transmission tower fixed at top of 20-meter building, that is this is the 20-meter building, this is the 20-meter building, and tower is fixed on top of this building. A tower is fixed on top of this building. So angle of elevation of bottom and top of transmission tower. So this is the bottom of transmission tower and this is the top of the transmission tower. So angle of elevation from here, from the ground to bottom of transmission tower and to the top of transmission tower. Like this we have to draw the image, that is from the ground to bottom of transmission tower and to the top of the transmission tower fixed on a 20-meter building. What is the angle of elevation? That is 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. So, angle of elevation to the bottom is 45 degree and angle of elevation to the top of the transmission tower is 60 degree. So, this is 60 degree and this is 45 degree. So, let's name it as A, B, C and D. So, we have to find out the height of the tower. This is the tower. AD is the height of the tower. So, we have to find out AD. AD is the height of the tower and we have to find out what is AD. That should be found out. So, let's have AD as X or let us have AD as AD itself. So, first let's consider the triangle BDC. In triangle BDC, what is the measurement given and what is the measurement given here, that we have to first check out to consider whether to use tan or sine or cos, whatever ratio to be used. We will have to first check out the measurement, then we will be using according to that. So, here the side we have is the opposite side and the side here which we require is the adjacent side. So opposite by adjacent is nothing but tan. So tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So we will be using the ratio of tan to measure to find out the answer. So tan 45 is equal to what is the opposite side? DC. DC is opposite side. Tan 45 is equal to DC by adjacent side is BC. So tan 45 is equal to DC by BC. What is tan 45? Tan 45 is nothing but 1. So 1 is equal to, what is DC? DC is 20 meter. 20 meter by BC. 20 meter, whereas opposite by adjacent 20 meter by BC. So when we take BC to the other side, we will get BC into 1, that is nothing but BC. So BC is equal to 20 meter. So the required side was BC and we found the answer as BC as 20 meter. Now we have BC 20 meter and DC also 20 meter. We have to find the height of the tower, that is AD. We have to find AD. So let's take the next triangle ABC. Consider the next triangle. In triangle ABC, again the side we require is opposite side, because tan 60 we require the side as opposite side and we have the adjacent side. So we will be using tan in this case also. So in triangle ABC, AC by BC. In triangle ABC, tan theta is equal to AC by BC. AC by, that is opposite by adjacent, that gives tan 60 is equal to elevation of angle is 60. Instead of theta, I will be writing it as 60. Tan 60 is equal to, what is the opposite side? AC. And what is the adjacent side? BC. So AC by BC is the ratio of tan 60. But in AC is divided into two parts, that is AD and DC. AC is divided into two parts, AD and DC. So AC is AD plus DC by BC. So tan 60 is equal to AD plus DC by BC. We know the measurement of DC, that is 20 degree, but we don't know what is AD. So let's write tan 60 is equal to AD is, as such, we'll be writing it as AD plus DC is 20 and BC we found out the previous, with the help of the previous ratio, that is 20. So AD plus 20 by 20. So what is tan 60? Tan 60 is nothing but root 3. So root 3 is equal to AD plus 20 by 20. The next step, we'll be taking 20 to the other side. So 20 root 3 is equal to AD plus 20. Now bringing 20 to this side, to the other side, 20 root 3 minus 20 is equal to AD. So 20 root 3 minus 20 is equal to AD. We'll be taking 20 outside. When we take 20 outside, we get that is 20 root 3 minus 20 is equal to AD. When we take 20 outside, we will have 20 into root 3 minus 1, that is equal to AD. So the measurement of AD is 20 root 3 minus 1 meter, that is nothing but the height of the tower AD is 20 into root 3 minus 1. So the height of the tower which we found out is 20 root 3 minus 1 meter. So with the help of the ratio tan 45 and tan 60 and using the ratio of tan, we found out the measurement of BC, and with the help of BC and the measurement of DC which is already given, the height of the building, we were able to find out the measurement of AD, that is nothing but 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter. Friends, if you like my video, please click the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you.